Okay, so today I'm getting ready to walk toward the ocean. You can see the ocean from my apartment view. I think I can make it. Not that far, maybe about 10, 15 blocks. Let's head on out. I'm about to head on out and see what I can find in Miraflores, Peru, the neighborhood of Lima. See you in a minute. Asked me if I could live in this gorgeous place, okay? I mean, this is not even the main town area of Lima. This is the Miraflores neighborhood, okay? I'm sitting here in the park along the Malecon, and once you get away from the main busy area and get down here to the ocean, it is absolutely fabulous. Nice breeze. That's about 72 degrees, so the weather is very comfortable. And today being Sunday, the park is filled with tourists and families and kids and dogs. I mean, I've got video and pictures of the oceans and the mountains in the background. It is absolutely marvelous. I never expected Lima to be this beautiful. Even in the midst of political turmoil, you don't feel that when you're out here on the ocean, feeling the breeze and seeing all the beautiful people. Okay? More to come. beautiful neighborhood. And it's a nice day today, so I'm headed back to my hotel. The Malecon was absolutely amazing, okay? And now I'm walking back through this lovely neighborhood. Lima is Miraflores. It's a nice spot. So if you're thinking about retiring and you're thinking about Peru, I would highly recommend Miraflores, okay? It has everything that you would need to be comfortable as a retiree.